welcome back to my channel. For today's video I am creating this really fun pink glam look with like the cut creases and glitter. I like never do glitter, but I should more because it's really fun and really pretty. But yeah, if you want to see how I created this look, then you can just keep on watching. Okay, so we're going to be doing a pink eyeshadow look today. I've just seen so many people playing with color lately that it's been inspiring me, so that's what I wanted to do today. I'm going to be using some palettes that I haven't used in a while because I was trying to find some pinks and I couldn't find any and I had to dig around, and I pulled out my Modern Renaissance palette, which has a couple like really pretty pinks right there. And then I also found this Makeup Revolution palette that also has some pinks like that. So this is the Reloaded Iconic Vitality palette, I guess. So we're going to use probably mostly those two. I'm going to go ahead and just prime the eyes. So just using some concealer. I'm just going to blend that in. And then just as always, I'm going to take some translucent setting powder and just set that in place. I think we're just gonna start with doing a little bit of raw sienna from the Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm just taking a fluffy blending brush. This is the JH32 brush, and I'm bummed. I did have this single pink eyeshadow from NYX for a while, and I used it like a couple times last year, and then when I was going through my makeup a couple months ago, I think I threw it away because I'm like, oh, I haven't used this in so long, and well, now I'm wanting it, so oh well. Thankfully I found some palettes with pink in it, so we're good. I'm gonna go into this one. Something Fresco. Buon Fresco? I don't know, I'm not gonna try to butcher that. I'm just gonna still use the same brush for this one. I'm first going to go into the shade Love Letter, I think, from the Anastasia palette. And we are going to just take that on a JH33 brush. We're just going to start building up that pink. So my thought is to do kind of like a half cut crease, which I know I do like in a lot of videos, and do more, have the lid be like more of like a really like almost a white color, because I've seen some looks like that where, you know, you have like a really colorful like crease and everything, and then you have like a white kind of shimmery lid color, and it's really pretty. So that's what I'm kind of thinking. Let's go ahead and dip in. These ones don't have names, but this one right here. Okay, I like this. Yeah. Keep blending and just adding more and more. And you can just kind of go in between the pinks. This eye just looks a little bit lighter to me, so I'm going to go in with the Love Letter from the ABH palette because I'm just a little bit darker. And just kind of add that to the outer V. Okay, so I'm just going to dip into my Jaclyn Hill palette real quick and go into this shade right here. And I don't know, I might need to just go back in after concealer. Yeah, lies. Okay, so I'm going to cut the crease now. Okay, first I'm going to go into the shade Tempera, which is a little more matte, and we're just going to put that over the concealed area, and then we'll see like where we need to, like how much more like shimmer we need. I think we're going to go into the Jaclyn Hill palette and dip into this shade right here, and let me just spray my brush so we can get extra pigment. Ooh, yes, honey. We're still looking a little crazy right now because it has to get worse before it gets better, but I think we're going good places. So I'm gonna go back in to the shade from the Makeup Revolution palette. So I'm gonna start blending that. I feel like it needs to be a little darker, so I'm gonna go into Love Letter from the ABH palette. Just gonna press it on a little bit. I kind of want to add like some glitter or something to this. Let me see what I have. I have some pink glitter, the NYX glitter. I just wanted to try to do like some liner with it though. So I'm gonna take my glitter glue and just place them on the back of my hand, and then go in with like a liner brush. Just gonna get some of the glue on there. Do a little bit. On the line of the cut crease. And then just pick up some of the glitter on the brush and very carefully stamp it on. This is going better than I planned. Okay, I'm just gonna say I'm impressed. That turned out pretty good, if I do say so myself. This is fun. I'm actually really liking how this is turning out. Okay, I'm just gonna take a little bit, this one right here, I'm gonna take a little bit of that and just kind of press it over the top. And then that other shade that I had originally taken, I'm gonna take a little bit of that and use it to blend a little more. We're just gonna grab the brush that has all the pink and just blend a little bit more, avoiding blending on top so that the glitter doesn't fall. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and pop on some mascara and lashes and probably some of my face makeup, and then I will be back to finish it up. Okay, so I'm back with my foundation on and my lashes that took about a million years to put on. But I did get a darker concealer to try to use as like a cream contour. I don't think I got dark enough, so I'm gonna try it out. And if it's just not doing it, then I'll go with my normal cream contour. This is just the Maybelline Fit Me one in the shade Carmel. It's gonna be more like bronzy, but we're gonna go with it and see. It could be okay. It could also be like really bad. I think it would be okay if I got a darker shade. I mean, it definitely gives like, it's not the worst. It's definitely like if you want like more natural. I think I'm gonna have to go get like a couple darker shades, and I think that would be a really nice way to cream contour. So I'm gonna go in next with my Hoola bronzer and just kind of bronze up the face a little bit more. I don't know, that's me, and just, I probably won't do this combination again, but we're just testing some stuff out, okay? This is learning. I'm gonna take just a small brush and pick up some more of the contour, or the bronzer, and just contour the nose a bit. I'm just gonna set the sides of the nose. Just go ahead and bake that contour. Okay, then for highlighter, okay, this is one that I have not used in forever. I think maybe when I first started making videos like last year, I was using this, but this is not technically a highlighter, it's an eyeshadow, but it's so good. It's the Maybelline Eyeshadow in the Glow Down. Yes, it's beautiful. It's similar, I'd say, to the Maybelline Master Chrome. This one's actually a little darker, so I don't know if this is a great idea, but we're gonna try it. If it's too dark, we'll just go with the Amrezy, because that fixes everything too, so. Oh, hello, okay. Yes, Maybelline, thank you. Okay, hello, I'm gonna need to blend some, because that is a highlight. It's like Mitchell highlight right here. We're gonna go into an oldie but goodie the Nars Orgasm blush, taking our JH04 brush, which I've been loving for blush. I'm just gonna pop some on. And this one's like a little bit more of a pinky tone versus like a coral, so I think it's perfect to tie in with the pink eyeshadow. This one's definitely not as pigmented as the Morphe blushes, so you have to build this one up just a little bit more, which I don't mind because I'd rather have to build up a blush than like it be so pigmented and then you can't blend it out and you look like a clown. So when it comes to blush, I'm okay if it's not super pigmented. I'm going to take our massive brush and brush away our powder. I'm actually just going to go ahead and set my face and then we'll finish up with like the eyes. First, I'm just going to take this brush. This one doesn't have a name on it, but it is from Morphe. We're going to go into our Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm going to take the shade Tempura, which is that more matte white shade, and use that to highlight the brow bone. Then I'm just going to grab a little small brush and take the shade Vermeer, this one right here, and we're going to use that to highlight the inner corner. We're just going to take those same shades that we use, like just the pink shades. We'll take Rossiana first. And this is the JH43, which is a flat brush, which is nice for the lower lash line. And I'm going to smoke it out a little bit more maybe than normal. And then going into the Makeup Revolution shade and Love Letter from the ABH palette. And then just popping some mascara on the lower lashes. And to finish off, we're going to finish with the lips. I'm just going to be using the Maybelline Matte Ink, Superstay Matte Ink. Blah, blah. The Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in Seductress. This is just kind of a mauve-y nude color. Blend everything one more time. Alright, so that is the completed look. I am actually obsessed with how it turned out. Yeah, I was a little bit skeptical at the beginning, but I feel like with color, that's usually what happens, is it's gonna look worse before it looks better. So just keep that in mind. But yeah, I love how it turned out, and if you did too, then please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on future videos. And be sure to hit that post notifications button so you're notified every time that I upload. And I am going to be trying to upload twice a week. I'm not sure if I will commit to every single week, but I am working my way towards that. So that is the goal, and yeah, I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys! What is this? This is what happens to my hair when I have it down. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? That's the wrong one! Stupid!